Hey guys, so we're gonna be showing you the back. We haven't made a house tour yet, but I still have to do it today. It's so sunny out. So let's do it. Right now, we're in the bath, and it's probably the first thing you see. It's this. Why would there be this? There's a hot tub right here. Smells just like hot tub, literally. It just smells just like hot tub. So, here's the garden. Like, thing in it, well, stuff. Up there. So, that's just going in my mouth. I got 2 subscribers. I want to say in one of my videos, if I got 2 subscribers, I would do that. Look at the whole package. It's so weird. I'll have to talk. I'll have to talk. I hate that my videos are so short, guys. It's so sad for me. So why don't we just talk a bit? Okay? Like, I actually don't know what to talk about. Whatever. Some comments I would like you to write. Okay, this will take. You have a hot tub. Where do you live? Not address. I don't know. Your favorite color, favorite shape, favorite flower, favorite animal. If you would die, what would you be? And you can include yourself. You can for the animal. You can also include the animal you want, a fake animal, whatever. Just why don't you write me some comments and I'll try to answer them. Okay, guys? So that's really all I can say. So let's bring the back to the front, and that's really all for this video. So give it a thumbs up. Duck. Well, I actually meant duck for me. What are pretty flowers? Well, plant flowers. Wow. I was meant for some reason. So, back. That's the time. Back.